You ever feel like your car is just eating your money? Bro, you're not alone. And guess what? It's not just the rising fuel prices or repairs, it's these 5 common mistakes that almost every car owner makes, without even knowing. Let me break it down for you, because avoiding these can literally save you thousands. Welcome back to All About Mechanizam. Mistake number 1. You see the check engine light and ignore it. You start your car, and boom. The check engine light comes on. You think it's probably nothing, I'll check it later. This is big mistake. That light isn't just for show, it's your car's way of warning you. It could be a small sensor or a major issue waiting to explode. Fix it early and it's cheap. Ignore it and it could destroy your engine or leave you stranded when you need it most. Mistake number 2, long skipping oil changes. You drive your car and keep telling yourself I'll get the oil change next week, but next week never comes. And inside your engine, that clean oil is turning into thick, toxic sludge. It's choking your engine, making it work harder, run hotter, and slowly killing it. A quick oil change costs a few bucks, but ignore it long enough, you're looking at total engine failure, and that means thousands gone in a flash. Mistake number 3, driving on low or high tire pressure. Be honest, when's the last time you actually checked your tire pressure? Low pressure makes your engine struggle, burns more fuel, and wears your tires down fast. Too much pressure? You're just one bump away from a dangerous blowout. It takes 2 minutes a month and can save your fuel, your tires, and maybe even your life. Mistake number 4, ignoring the fluids. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid. These are not just extras, they are the lifeblood of your car. Ignore them and you're playing with fire. Low coolant leads to overheating. Dirty brake fluid. Say goodbye to safe stopping. It takes just minutes to check, but ignoring it can cost you a tow truck and a massive repair bill. Mistake number 5, letting rodents turn your engine into their home. Yeah, it sounds crazy, but rodents really do turn your engine into their cozy little home, especially in colder months. They chew up wires, build nests, and leave you with a dead car and a massive repair bill. Just pop the hood once a week. Look for weird smells, shredded bits, or chewed plastic. That tiny habit can save you from a $1,000 surprise at the mechanic. Most of us don't mean to mess up our cars, we just didn't know these things. But now, you do. So, save your engine, save your wallet, and show your car some love. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-up car tips. Drop a comment and tell me, which mistake have you made?